so many to choose from. But that magnetic, I've just got my finger trapped in the stack. Take epic portraits, literally. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create epic portraits using the MagMod Gels. I'm here in Neil Ridley's wonderful studio in Lancashire in the UK with the lovely Olga, who I will link below. And yeah, in this shoot, we're going to use gels to create epic portraits, but I'm going to build them up step by step so that we can see what works and see what doesn't work. So today I am shooting with the Sony A9, the 85mm 1.8 lens, I think. The X2T trigger, and we are using one AD200 and a couple of Godox V860s as well. So first up, we're going for a basic lighting setup, which is what I do for most of my portraits. We're just going to pop that at 45 degrees to Olga. Okay, so for my basic setup, my flash is on 1/32 power, and as I am shooting in a studio, I'm at ISO 100, my aperture is 3.5 and my shutter speed is 1/200. So we'll just see what that gives us. Beautiful, so that is actually quite strong at the moment. We can, where have you gone? I'm sure you're doing that to wind me up. So with MagMod, we can control the spill of that light. So as you can see at the moment, the light is hitting quite a bit of the backdrop, and also it's coming out quite strong, and that is the AD200 in there, so we can expect that. So first up, I'm going to use some MagMod MagGrids. Just pop those nice and easy onto there. So we'll just do one and see what that looks like, but I have actually brought another one with me as well. Oh yeah, that's nice. So as you can see, we're already getting a really nice portrait out of there. It's still coming out a little bit strong, so I am going to pop another grid on there. So my options are to reduce the flash power or to add a second grid, but by adding a second grid, I'm also going to control the spill of the light that comes out of that flash as well. Beautiful, lovely. So already we're getting some really, really nice, like creative portraits. Really nice lighting. That's beautiful, Olga. I mean, Olga is making my job incredibly easy. So now we've got our base photograph. What I'm going to do is add a bit of colour to each side of the photograph one by one. Again, we want to build on the base image that we have. So first up, I'm going to use this V860. I'm going to use this for a little bit of backlight, but what I want to do is just add a gel on there. So I've chosen an orange gel, not the CTO gel. This is the creative orange gel. Again, that pops on there nice and easy. And what this is going to do is just give me a little bit of orange light as the backlight. Okay. So the base flash is 1/32 power, but it does have 2 grids on. At the moment, this one here is the backlight, has only got the creative colour gel on, and that is currently at 164. So I don't really want it to like overpower the first one. I'm just trying to add just a little bit of colour. And as you can see from these images, it is doing just that. And we've now got a really nice backlight on Olga. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Nice. So what we have there is we've introduced the orange creative gel, we've got the MagGrids on this one, and now what I'm going to do on this side, just to counteract that orange, I've chosen sort of an opposite colour, and I want to just add a little bit of colour on this side with my other V860. Helps if I put these on while I'm over there. So I've actually picked these out before shooting this video, and I've picked this nice teal colour, which I've actually created myself with the aqua and the cyan gel. So this is what the great thing about the gels is, you can stack them up, but I've basically chosen these two because I like the colour that they give when they're merged together. So we'll just see how that looks. So hopefully this will just give us a little bit of green now. Again, helps when you turn these things on. We're keeping the power the same as the orange one. We're going for 1/64 on the power. Nice, Olga. So as you can see from these images, I'm really happy with what we're getting, but as you can see, I'm not quite sure if the green's strong enough. So what I'm actually going to do to give this a little bit more power in the colour is just move that a little bit closer to Olga. I think that should be okay. So just to reiterate on the flashes, the green one's at 1/32 and the other two flashes are 1/64, and I'm still shooting at the same settings as before. That's beautiful. So you can see now that the colours are actually showing a lot more in the image. Beautiful, Olga. And because I really like it when Olga like flicks her hair around, I'm just going to ask her to do that a couple more times. Beautiful. And the reason I'm shooting like this is because I can. Yeah, oh my, yes. They're all still recording because I went a little bit wild, but as you can see, I'm really happy with what we're getting here. So as you can see on the screen, all these images have been edited using my own preset pack, which is available to buy. It is, rather than just being just a preset pack, it does include a lot of brushes which can be used as gradient and local filters or local adjustment filters. So that really will help you level up your editing. Because I'm happy with these now and we've got all the settings right, what I'm going to do next is actually amend the colours in these creative gels to see what else we can get out of the setup that we've created. So this is what I'm going for, like a purple and the pink with the lavender overstacked. So we'll change the pink to the backlight. So easy to change them in and out. But that magnetic, I've just got my finger trapped in the stack. Setting all this back on. I mean, I've not even tried this, so this might not even work, but you know what, why not? Let's go for it. Oh, nice. Oh. Yes, Olga, that looks amazing. Nice. What I might actually just do is just turn down that front flash, which is, see? Just turn that down a little bit. So all flashes are actually on a 64th now. Oh, that's nice. As this video is all about creating epic portraits using gels, let's go wild, let's get one on the front as well. So I've actually got a blue one because I'm hoping that'll blend in nicely with the purple and the pink. And what's more is you can actually stack those over the grids as well. This is awesome. So as you can see from these, actually having that gel on the front flash is actually taking some of the power out. So what I'm going to do is take one of those grids off and pop that blue back on. See if we can get a bit more blue out of that flash. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, taking the grid off gives us a lot more power out of the flash. That looks amazing, Olga. You're doing such a good job. I feel like you're gonna get really dizzy in a minute. That's beautiful. I'm gonna get a bit closer actually. I'm not doing what I say to do in all my videos. Once you've got what you want, get close, get far and see how that looks. That's nice. Yeah, beautiful. Oh. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm so happy. I've literally never tried this before, so I'm so pleased it worked. And yeah, even when it does work, try new things, get closer, get different colours on. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video of how to create epic portraits using the MagMod gels. And I hope it inspires you to go out there and get creative in your own way. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Neil Ridley for use of his studio today, to Olga for being literally awesome, and to my good friend Neil Redfern for filming. Thank you so much for watching. Is that too close? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my other videos from this YouTube shooter.